Okay, I got the Kodiak. Yep, the Yamaha Kodiak. So right now, Pippa, come over here. Come film this for me. All right, there's 2 more bolts on the sides there. We take off our cover here. Should say that this 4-wheeler, it always starts. It never gives me any trouble on the start. So the fact that it's not starting, it's usually just one thing's on these carbureted. I don't want to say one thing because I'm a small engine expert. The gas tank, couple bolts there. I need to take this off so that it gets past that. I just need to get the tank out of the way. The carb is right there, so I need some of the stuff out of the way. Hey, look, that side and that side is all that connects this to it. So now I'm gonna open, I forget where the jets are. But listen, I'm not a pro at this. I've done it once before, so I'm gonna have to relearn. All right, I'm starting to remember that the bottom little bowl has our jet. So I'm gonna take those jets out and I can almost guarantee I'm gonna find something clogged up in probably that little one right there. So when you take those bolts out, so this jet right here, it was barely showing any light, barely. I thought maybe it's not clogged, but then I got this tiny little wire. I don't have any carb cleaner, guys, so don't cry about it. Okay, moment of truth. Old Faithful. I'm telling you, those little... Okay, I got the Kodiak. Yep, the Yamaha Kodiak. So right now, Pippa, come over here. Come film this for me. Just scoot back and just film it. Okay, so look. The 4-wheeler ran out of gas by the person holding the camera. So most likely, the reason why it won't start now, my best guess is that the carburetor, once you run a vehicle out of gas, the crap at the bottom sucks into your carb, and I can almost guarantee I'm gonna take this off and we're gonna clean out the carburetor. So there's 2 bolts here, a couple Allens there. I'm gonna put in my little bucket and show you the progress.